Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you own an espresso machine and you know we have to constantly keep it clean, then you need to check out this active espresso machine cleaner. There's going to be 120 tablets. That's right, 120 tablets to do that deep cleaning. And when you open it up, you will see here the size of the tablet right there. And the way you clean these is you use your single serving cup there, and you're going to put in your rubber gasket. This thing sits right there in the middle. And then you push this in and you'll hold these two buttons up top here. You'll have to probably look for instructions for your espresso machine. It could be different. And you'll let that run through and cycle through to make sure that your espresso machine is clean. And then you'll filter through, read the instructions. Every espresso machine is different on how it uses its cleaning cycle. But normally you'll get a light too. Mine has a light that says clean and to scale. And you'll have to go ahead and follow the instructions. But this here will get out all that. And again, the active espresso machine cleaner is formulated to do the deep clean. So this will help with the descaling. It cleans, and it'll also protect your machine and keep your machine running a lot longer. There's instructions here in the back too that will show you how to clean your machine. So definitely recommend picking this up since there's so many. You can get through the year of making sure that your machine is clean. Shout out to Active for gifting me this so I could do a review.